This is the video for the A2 extra examples. So in the extra example 1, we have a parallelogram. We know that opposite angles are congruent. So we can very easily say x equals 72. We also know that opposite sides are congruent. So we set y minus 8 equal to 36, add 8. So y must equal 44. Extra example 2. Metal screen is used to cover a shop window. The sections of the screen are parallelograms. So our parallelogram that we have here is LMNO. And it says if LMN is 110, what is MNO? Okay, and in this example, we're looking at consecutive angles, and consecutive angles are supplementary. So I know the measure of LMN plus the measure of MNO must equal 180. So 110 plus x equals 180. So x equals 70. The diagonals intersect. Let me just erase these lines I got on there. Diagonals intersect at point T. What are the coordinates of point T? We know they bisect each other. So I know these two are congruent. These two are congruent. We want to know the coordinates for point T. Since they bisect each other, T is the midpoint of either of those two segments. So let's find the coordinates of P. Coordinates of P are 2, 1, and the coordinates of R are 9, 4. And we want to find the midpoint of that. So 9 plus 2 divided by 2, and 4 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 11 halves, 5 halves. C. And this ends the extra examples. You are to complete the practice and the review on paper, and then the assessment will be open for you during your class period until 7:34 tomorrow morning. Have a great day.